Now we come to the part talking about combination. Combination would be you are selecting objects, R objects from n distinct objects regardless with order. So I simply talking about this time. So you're talking about without order. So in order to find NCR by definition, then you can see the formula as follow. Is very like NPR, but there is one more item R factorial in the denominator, so you can make the comparison by yourselves. And so once again, NCR you can use calculator to help you to get the values instead of this definition. For example, if you want to find out like 5C2, then you can use the simple shift division. You can see NCR over there. Then the way how we can enter would be 5 shift division symbol, and then 2 and EXE. So this is the way how you use your calculator to get the results directly. And then so after you understand the term about NCR and NPR, permutation and combination, then would you please help to identify the following situation? Should they be permutation or is a combination? Please take like half a minute to try it out. Alright, let's check. If you're choosing 5 books from 40 books, no order over there, so that's why I would call it a combination. But when you see you want to line up in a line, or later on you can see part D, you want to queue up, you want to rank. So these keywords tells you that the order is important when you are arranging the students, passengers, athletes, etc. So these are called permutation because the order is need to be considered. While the last one in part C, you just pick 3 word cards from 50 cards. So it's not talking about the order, so that's why it's called combination. So let's see if this example helps you to understand the difference between combination and permutation first, because it will be very important for you to do the question with the proper term or proper symbol. Anyway, so let's take a look in example 20. You have 5 students, A, B, C, D, E. So 5 names over there. And they want to form a subcommittee by choosing 3 students among them. So because you're just choosing 3 students to form a committee without polls, without order, so that's why we need to use a C to do so. And then you are choosing 5 students, choosing 3 students among 3 of them. So that's why it's 5C3. By using calculator, check whether you obtain the result of 10. The question can be more complicated if it's mixing up different groups, for example, girls and boys, but the principle is still the same. You want to find 3 girls and 2 boys from the choir. So if there are no restriction in part A, so we will be doing this way. 12 girls, I want to pick 3. 10 boys, I want to pick 2. And because you want to do both actions, you want to choose 3 boys and 3 girls and 2 boys. So that's why we multiply them together. And by calculator, check whether you obtain 9900. In short, sometimes we can just write 12C3 and 10C2 stick together to omit the multiplication symbol. This time, you see that 2 particular girls and 1 particular boy cannot be included. That means in this case, there are only 10 girls to choose from, as well as there are only 9 boys to choose from in the situation. But yet, you are still choosing 3 girls and 2 boys to in this situation. So that's why the answer will be 10C3 times 9C2, which gives you 4320 as the outcome. See whether it will be okay for you. And then next we come to example 22. Melissa has 6 different pens. If she puts 2, 3, 4 pens into the pencil case without repetition, so what does that mean? That means you want to pick 6C2, 2 pens from 6 pens into pencil case. She may choose 3 pens out of 6. She may choose 4 pens out of 6 into the pencil case. So you want to know how many ways she can fill up fill in the pencil case. What do you think? I leave two spaces over there. Do you think that is a plus or a multiplication? Yes, it's correct because she's choosing to put 2 pens or 3 pens or 4 pens. So that's why we add up the NCR together, which gives you a result of 50. So now you see the question is getting more complicated because you have to judge whether it's NCR, MPR, as well as sometimes we use times when you do two actions. When you choose pass when you're talking about a case of OR.